adventure. So this is Logan. He's about 3 years old or something like that. Come here, get up there, sit. He's very excited to go. I don't usually take him on any adventures, so I'll probably take him to his dog park first to run him a little bit, but stick with us to see how we do here. I don't know, we might be a short trip. Like I said, I'm gonna take him down to the dog park for a second, let him cruise around. He's probably gonna literally maul me to get out of this truck once we park. Hey, sit. Good boy. You stay. Stay. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to get to the hunting spots. Okay, I'm about to put it in park. We're at the little river area. Let's see if all heck breaks loose when I turn off the motor. Stay. Can you stay? No, stay. Hey, stay. No, just wait. Wait. You stay. Jeez. Okay, Logan. Hey, come here. Hey, can you sit? Good sit. You stay. Okay. Let him get some of his energy out for a second before we try to take him on a hunting trip. Okay. That's good. You gotta stay with me. Good boy. Right now we're just down at the Willamette, trying to get him semi used to sticking with me. You gonna be good? Come on up here. Yeah. Good job. What are you doing? Yeah, you went to the river, didn't you? You got in the water. Come on. Well, everybody, so far so good. Logan's been a very good patient dog. Just trying to get out to somewhere out in the woods. I want to let him off leash and just let him get used to going out with me. Good boy. You check it out and see what's going on. Good boy. Okay, come on. Been out here with my little 22 pistol. Not really hunting anything, just trying to see what he does and how he reacts to the gun going off. Just figured I'd sit down here and see how long it took for him to come back and check on me. Oh, buddy. Good job. Good. I felt like it'd be fun to give you guys a little view of the Valsets Lake area. So this is kind of an area that off to the right used to be totally closed. We'd get bulls, a bunch of bulls bugling, but we weren't allowed to go into the woods on the right side. We had to call them over to the left if we wanted to try to hunt them. I've left the dog out in the truck. I'm taking a little hunting walk out here. For those guys that don't hunt very much, that is elk poop right there. All right, everybody, you see down there in the bottom, that's where I was. I came into the about 20-30 yards into the clear cut, and just on the other side of this hill, right where this big snag is, I jumped 3 deer. One of them was 100%, probably a 3-point. The other 2 I didn't get a good look at. They looked like does, but they're bigger than the buck, so I don't know. Anyway, I chased them. Well, guys, I chased some deer, but they gave me the slip. Basically at the top of this, halfway up the landing here. I think they crossed. They may have crossed over, like right here, crossing over down into that way, or they just stayed on the land, or stayed off of the road and then beat me down the hill. But either way, I lost that round. It's a good buck in there too. I mean, I could tell that it was at least a 3-point buck from a long ways away. Like, it was a long ways away, but if usually if a deer's about 100 yards or further, my eyes aren't very good, so I can't even tell if it has antlers. But this is about 200 yards away, and I could tell he had some kind of a little bit of headgear on him. I looked up in the scope, and it was definitely looked like it was a 3-pointer at least. So I'm gonna walk back down the hill, walk back down to my truck. Probably a really good thing I didn't get anything, because as I was right before I saw those deer, I realized I didn't even bring a knife with me. All I got is my electronic tag and my gun, so it would have been a pain in the butt. I would have had to hike out and go back and get my knife and see if I could bring somebody back to help me. Full stop, just a question. I have no idea if you guys want to watch somebody going out hunting. If this is stupid and boring, and it's not easy to try and do a freaking GoPro while I'm trying to kill a deer. So let me know in the comments, like, is it worth my time? You know, like, I'd be happy to take you guys along and show you how to hunt, show you how I do it. Like, I almost killed a deer tonight just by what I was doing. I could tell you my tricks and my secrets and how to do it, or I could just skip the GoPro and have more room to put my binoculars. Obviously today I was a little bit ill prepared. I had a good walk though. I walked through some stuff right below a clear cut. Kind of went like 50 to 75 yards, maybe almost 100 yards in the tree line. Just kind of sneaking through there. I figured if something was in the clear cut, I'd see it, which that worked, I did. All right, well, I guess now is the see how Logan did sitting in the truck for an hour and a half. Hopefully he didn't tear the heck out of it, chew on things, and wouldn't surprise me. Dogs are that way when they get nervous, sitting somewhere for a while. Logan, you good dog? Let me see. Seems like you're good. Come on, you can come out. You want some water and some food? Come here. Okay, get up. Up. Yeah. I'll give you some food. Come here. Move. Sit. Hit. Sit. Okay. Okay. Have it. Come here. Hey. Eat your food. Come on, where are you going? One more. Okay, wait. Come here. Come here. You want some water? Here. Look. Look. Water. Psst. So I don't know if you can see on the side of the road here. Like some tracks. There's your elk. Just for fun, if anybody's ever curious, this is the old town site here for Valset's logging community. Well, you don't want to be left alone, do you? Weird. So I'm curious what the viewers think. Do you think Logan has earned a right to go on the next trip? Put in the comments. You can all vote once. Put in the comments if I should take him with me again.